Aligning business goals, effective collaboration in strategic partnerships. Title: Aligning business goals, effective collaboration in strategic partnerships. Introduction. In today's dynamic and interconnected business landscape, collaborating with strategic partners has become essential for the long-term success and growth of organizations. Strategic partnerships offer numerous benefits, such as expanded market reach, increased innovation, reduced costs, and improved competitiveness. However, to harness these advantages, it is crucial for businesses to align their goals effectively. This article aims to explore the importance of aligning business goals and provide insights into building and maintaining successful collaborations within strategic partnerships. The significance of goal alignment. Effective collaboration in strategic partnerships heavily relies on aligning business goals to create a shared vision and purpose. When organizations are mutually committed to achieving common objectives, it fosters trust, drives engagement, and encourages collective problem solving. Business goals alignment ensures that both partners are working towards a common purpose, leveraging their respective strengths, and minimizing potential conflicts along the way. It serves as the foundation for a productive and harmonious partnership. Understanding each other's objectives. The first step in aligning business goals within a strategic partnership is gaining a comprehensive understanding of each other's objectives. It is essential to clearly define short-term and long-term goals, identifying the strategic direction each partner wants to pursue. This involves honest and transparent communication, sharing insights on market trends, industry challenges, and growth aspirations. Through this exchange of information, partners can gain a holistic view of each other's goals, enabling them to identify areas of compatibility and potential synergies. Identifying synergistic opportunities. Once both partners have a clear understanding of their respective goals, the next step is to identify synergistic opportunities for collaboration. Synergy refers to the combined effect achieved when partners leverage their strengths, resources, and expertise towards a common objective. By identifying areas where their goals overlap, partners can collaborate strategically, combining their capabilities to achieve results that would be difficult to attain individually. This collaboration can take various forms, such as joint product development, co-marketing initiatives, or shared distribution channels. Developing a shared vision. To align business goals effectively, partners must develop a shared vision that encapsulates their collaborative efforts. This shared vision should reflect the long-term aspirations of the partnership and serve as a guiding light for decision-making and resource allocation. By aligning their individual goals to this shared vision, partners can ensure that their actions are driven by the collective interest of the partnership. This shared vision helps establish a sense of purpose and direction, fostering a strong partnership with a clear focus. Establishing clear metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. To measure the success of goal alignment and the overall performance of the partnership, it is crucial to establish clear metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. These metrics act as a yardstick, tracking progress and providing insights into the effectiveness of collaboration efforts. Building trust and open communication. Trust and open communication are the pillars of successful collaboration within strategic partnerships. Both partners must invest in building trust, foster a spirit of transparency, and encourage open communication throughout the partnership. Regular meetings, joint strategy sessions, and shared project updates help keep partners informed about progress, challenges, and opportunities. Establishing robust communication channels ensures that partners are continuously aligned, adapting to changing circumstances, and jointly addressing potential roadblocks. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. Goal alignment within strategic partnerships is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and evaluation. As market dynamics change and business environments evolve, partners must reassess their goals and realign their strategies accordingly. The role of trust in strategic partnerships. In addition to aligning business goals, trust plays a pivotal role in the success of strategic partnerships. Trust is the foundation upon which partners can build strong relationships, make joint decisions, and navigate challenges together. Without trust, collaborations can quickly falter, leading to misunderstandings, conflicts, and ultimately, the failure of the partnership. To build trust, partners must demonstrate integrity, reliability, and consistency in their actions. Following through on commitments, being transparent about challenges and limitations, and honoring confidentiality agreements are crucial trust-building behaviors. Trust also requires effective communication practices, including active listening, providing constructive feedback, and addressing concerns openly and honestly. Trust takes time to develop, but it can be easily eroded if there are breaches of confidence or integrity. It is essential for partners to prioritize trust-building efforts throughout the partnership. This includes fostering a culture of trust within their organizations, as well as conducting regular trust-building exercises and relationship-building activities between partner teams. Communication is key. Effective and open communication is essential for successful collaboration in strategic partnerships. Partners must establish clear communication channels, frequency of interaction, and modes of information exchange. This includes regular meetings, progress updates, and joint problem-solving sessions. Partners should designate key points of contact within their organizations to ensure easy access to information and a streamlined communication flow. It is crucial to establish guidelines for communication, such as response time expectations and escalation procedures for urgent matters. Clear communication protocols help minimize misunderstandings, resolve conflicts promptly, and keep everyone aligned towards the shared goals. Collaboration for innovation. Strategic partnerships often foster innovation by pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise. Collaboration allows partners to combine their unique capabilities to create innovative solutions, products, or services. This can lead to a competitive advantage and open new market opportunities. To foster innovation, partners should promote a culture of creativity, curiosity, and experimentation.